Hey, it's the colorless cat. What color is your color today? When I woke up late, my day felt kind of blue. But then my friends shared their feelings, and my day felt sunny yellow. Trying something new made my day feel brave and green. My outside might look gray, but my day is full of colors on the inside. That's day 8 of sharing my children's book with the world. In the comments, please tell me what color is your day and why. If you like this content, please like and subscribe and follow for day 9.